Okay, we're back. So I let the PC manager run the updates. It's updating. What is this? It says 48 for 1123. This is high. This is going to go up to 23H2. The other device here I have is that right now I only have three Windows computers left. I used to have a lot more. Well, they get old. I bought three gateways from my last location. I had a lot of computers. I can't bring them all here. A whole bunch of laptops. When you're in this kind of business, stuff can accumulate. Okay, so we could close that up. It'll still have to run the updates. Okay, so in this one, we're going to talk about Wise Game Booster and why do I use Wise Game Booster. I've been using it for a long time, and we're not using it for games. We're using it. It's going to test the system, and it found some processes. So we're going to see what it found. We have to use the recorder. See, the recorder uses a lot of the CPU, but I have it set to not do anything with it. Yeah, you can set it here. Um, it's exclusive. You can cancel exclusive. Um, it's quick CPU too. Everything that goes with this too. Oh, what's going on here? We don't want this. All the Microsoft Edge. That's all the garbage in there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But we're gonna exclude that. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of high memory programs, and you can actually exclude. Whoops, should have did that one there. I should have left that running. But unfortunately, exclude. That creates a spot there, and everything else. This one excluded. MCF. The manager was using up 665. We'll need to exclude that. Optimize all. It has a meter here to tell you how the system is. It'll never go to this one. It free up 657 of RAM. Well, megabyte. It's megabytes of RAM. Now, if you want to go beyond this, then you would have to use YSCare 365. Oh, YSCare protection on? Protection on. So that gives you extra security. You don't have to have that on. Why do I have that on? That's anything trying to load. So we'll run checkup. And this is version 7.0.9. They had somebody hacked in, I guess, took over the 6.6.6 one. Everybody went crazy, so I had to remove. Then the one before that, after that one worked. So this is the latest one. It's slow on this machine. On the other machine, it would be faster. Well, then again, this machine has a lot more stuff than the other machines have. This is available only in the Pro. Some other features too. It was a little slow, but these are good utilities to use in a machine. They can keep your machine from not crashing, or your computer might crash. Sometimes the browser can only do so much, and sometimes they fail. Remember, everything is a work in progress, and that's what people need to understand. Work in progress. All apps, all operating systems, everything, even the AIs and the bots and everything we have today. Right. So like I said, you want to keep the machine running smoothly. With this, it has a system cleaner. You're gonna run that. That's the clean out the registry. Sometimes this sticks. I had something crash today on the browser and I couldn't get out. I had to do a complete reboot. Yeah. Remember, the system's older, but even on a newer computer, it's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna crash. You're most likely gonna crash. Now, will you crash in Chrome OS? Occasionally, you might see something happen, but don't worry. And let's see what on the iMac and the iPad. I mean, yeah, they're all a work in progress, and they will tend to have issues in Chrome, and have problems. But you don't have so much problems. If you're gonna do anything major, then you have to decide, that your system needs to be working correctly. Now this is old, so it's the thing's gonna break, not gonna work so great. It takes a long time for it to check. If you run this every day, your system you should be okay. All right, so you can fix. You can run this scan. I'm not gonna scan that. I did this on the second. So common cleaner. Let's run before beans cleaner. You get a little system. So if I scan this, you get all the system logs. You want to clean out the logs. Temporary files, recovery files. See, some of these get corrupted. Here you get a little animation. With the faster your CPU, it's gonna fly. And you don't have much. And on laptop, most of the most laptops are gonna use something like an NVE or something like that, or something like a chip base. Either on the it might be embedded on the motherboard, or it might be something you can remove, like a mini bus. Okay, let's clean that. Slimming. Okay, it updated the patch, so we can hit slim down on that. Now, you might see Korean, Japanese, Chinese files. Get rid of those if you're not in that country. So you might want to get rid of those. I think the IEMs or something like that. So don't leave them on. It doesn't need to be on there if you're not from those countries. Other than that, it's okay. So this is creating a system restore point, and it's trying to back up the data. So you go back in system restore, and you can recover. And that's what this does. That's all. It's very easy to use. You get the free or you get the pro, whichever one you got. And it has clean. That's about it. Hey, if you found this session, actually, have you found this video helpful? By subscribing, more new content can come out daily or weekly. Help by subscribing. Thumbs up if you like the video. That helps the YouTube algorithm with the channel, so the channel can grow. More people can come here like yourself, trying to find out the answers. How can I improve my computer? How can I make the computer run faster? What's the latest CPU? If you're really a tech and you're really into it, it's like a mechanic. Like you fix your car and you work on your car, you change the spark plugs and all that. Do the same thing here. It's basically the same thing. The Windows operating system are for people who want to tinker with their machine. The Mac OS, I mean, you could do it, but a lot of people don't do it. Is this buy it, run it, hopefully it'll work. Sometimes the drive will crash. Sometimes it goes bad. It's not perfect. All these are a work in progress. And they're working great and you have no problems. Hey, that's great. That's wonderful. But that's what you want. You want a system that's running perfectly. Nothing there. Another thing that you could run is a registry defrag. I'm not going to run it. This will analyze your registry, and if it's fragmented, it'll tell you to clean it up. But that's about it. So that's it. That's all you have to worry about. One that will. This defrag is not for SSDs. That's for hard drives, regular hard drive. Not, and it's not for the memory drives like a BWin or anything like embedded drives into your motherboard. You don't need the defrag memory. Okay. All right. Good. You understand that. Right. All right. Any questions? Feel free to ask. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks a lot. Bye.